listening? Damn.
Ano ang engine type meron ng Suzuki Burgman 150? Ang engine type meron nito ay
may 4 na stroke, 1 cylinder, 2 valve at nais bigyan taglay ng dual overhead cam o DOHC ang bagong Suzuki Burgman Street. Ang bore naman ay X-stroke, ang sukat 52.5 x 57.4 mm. Ang max power naman nito ay 6.4 kW o 7,000 RPM. Max torque 10.2 Nm o 5,000 revm. Displacement 150 cubic capacity. Fuel system fuel injection type O nagtinatawag nating FI. Ang cooling system naman nito ay air-cooled. Sa starting mechanism naman ay electric at kickstart. Ano naman meron ng Suzuki Burgman Street 150 sa transmission niya? Transmission type CVT na ang transmission nito o ang tinatawag na continuous variable transmission na. Kung saan, tuloy-tuloy na ang iyong pagtakbo pagkatapos mong bitawan ang brake pedal nito o brake lever. May planong gawing manual transmission ang gear shifting ang makina ng 150 Burgman Street para sa maneuver sa corner o angle laydown kung saan ay mas makikita ang kahalagahan ng ABS system.
The Suzuki company has shifted its entire focus from investing in a new manufacturing plant towards adding a new product to their current lineup in an effort to attract more buyers. Suzuki has plans to introduce new premium models in its lineup. The Japanese two-wheeler manufacturer will likely introduce a bigger and more powerful Burgman Street scooter alongside a 250cc adventure tourer in the country soon. The Suzuki officials quite clearly stated that they are planning to add more premium scooters to their lineup, which will likely include a 150cc scooter or maybe something with higher displacement. Suzuki's current range of scooters includes the popular Access 125cc and the Burgman Street 125cc. Ano ang mga special features na meron ng Suzuki Burgman Street 150? First is the FI or fuel injection, which adds to minimal and reduced gas consumption. Second is the integrated engine start and kill switch with Suzuki Easy Start system. Third, multi-function full digital meter. Fourth, standard body mount windscreen. Fifth, luxurious LED headlight at position lights. Sixth is the known flexible foot position for rider in scooter category. Additional features contains: 6th, the DC socket in glove box for easy charging. 7th, the front disc and combined brake. 8th, LED rear combination light. 9th, sporty muffler cover. 10th, aluminum pylon footrest. And of course, the last but not the least, is the convenient dual luggage hooks. Siyempre marami pa katulad ng 2 litro glove box at rack for storage, 21.5 na litro naman na under-seat storage, side step shutter key with central seat lock, chrome mirrors, USB socket at accessory bar. With this feature and price, what else would I ask for? Pambihira na lang ngayon ng motor company na magbaba ng presyo lalo na't pandemic. Starting your journey is easy with the combined engine start and kill switch. It also has one push central lock-in. Easily, its most unique feature is the use of all 4-stroke aluminum fuel-injected single-cylinder 150cc engine. This new generation Suzuki Eco Performance (SEP) engine is designed to be powerful but still fuel efficient, capable of achieving 53.50 km per liter based on the World Motorcycle Test Cycle. Burgman Street produces 8.7 PS at 6,750 revolutions per minute, while max torque is at 10 Nm at 5,500 revolutions per minute. All important information can be found in the full digital instrument panel. It includes a digital clock, fuel measurement, as well as an oil change indicator. There is also a built-in dual-meter drive. Burgman Street comes in metallic matte fibroin gray and glass sparkle black. It is priced around 76,900 to 89,900 pesos or in Philippines currency, and it will be available in showrooms this November or be released not later than December. With much have already been said, let us now sneak on the all-new Suzuki Burgman 2020 or the Burgman Street 200. The next video clip is a pic and a promotional video from Suzuki. So, let us proceed and see what is behind the curtain view.